Hi everyone, and thanks for joining Section 6, Persisting Data with Core Data. In this section, we will get an introduction to the core data framework of Apple. We will learn how we can add this specific framework to our existing project. We will also make use of that framework to persist our data and allow the user to star favorite burgers and persist or store newly added burgers. We will also make use of CloudKit to sync the data across devices. Let's start with an introduction to core data. In this video, we're going to take a look at what actually is core data and why do I need it. We will also learn about the most important terms and definitions of the core data stack, and we will see how it looks like. So this is the core data stack. We have a persistent container, or so-called NS persistent container. We have a model, an object, or a context, which is the NS managed object context, and we also have a store coordinator. So core data is actually about managing an object graph. If you've ever heard of the software pattern model view controller, then the core data is the model part of that specific pattern. If we have a look at this diagram, then we will see that there is an NS managed object model. This describes the objects or types of our app. In our case, this will describe the burgers. Then we have the NS managed object context. The context tracks all the changes, and this is the object or the part of core data that we will most often use. So whenever we read, update, delete something in our core data stack, then we will use the NS managed object context. And on the right hand side, we have the store coordinator. The store coordinator is responsible for saving and fetching instances. In our case, the burger instances. And all that is wrapped in the persistent container that allows to simultaneously create the model, the context, and the store coordinator.